we talk about how can you back up on your Eyecon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. You just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on backup, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on continue here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, add here your phone number here. Then you click here on continue. So then it's going to back up with you on your Eyecon app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.